The COVID-19 pandemic affected all of us, but especially homeowners. That's why IndyAMP is helping Marion County homeowners refinance their mortgages at low interest rates for up to 30 years. Here's Offiah talking about his experience with the program.
My name is Offiah. I am an IT consultant. I am actually originally from Nigeria, but lived in Indianapolis for over 7 years and Indiana for over 10 years. I guess the big selling point was 3 months of free Essence payments. That was absolutely paramount. The reason I say that is because my wife's a nurse, so she was working in the hospital here in town when the pandemic happened, but she was seeing COVID patients and wasn't getting PPE. So she ended up saying, to kind of help keep us safe, she volunteered to kind of go out to New York and help them out there. So essentially she couldn't really work anymore. So that was, seeing that and, that was helping to kind of offset any of the income that she was not bringing in. That definitely was tough because, we have a little daughter, she's 3 years old now, and just for those couple of months, neither of us being able to really see her and just kind of hope, making sure that, or worried that she's okay. And it was almost 4 months of just, video calls, and so it was really tough just kind of living through that whole process. Before applying through the program, my mortgage on the house was wasn't a variable rate, so I was on a 7-year ARM, and I was 3 years into it. So the offer of being able to refinance into a 30-year fixed mortgage and with a lower interest rate or similar interest rate was amazing. The process was super simple. It was definitely a lot easier than when I bought my house. Working with the lender was super easy. They just asked for the information that they needed. It was like the paychecks and proof of income and all that stuff. So just sending that stuff over was fairly simple. And then they just kind of took the rest, and she would just update me. So really straightforward, really easy, nothing more. I mean, once you submit your paperwork, that was pretty much all that I had to do. The benefits now is not having to pay our monthly mortgage for 3 months that's just helping us to at least kind of get back out of the negative and actually kind of even back up to kind of offset her time away from work, so we can start kind of coming back above water. So it's been a great feeling of relief, in a sense. I mean, I guess in the pandemic, it definitely is taking a toll on lots of different people in lots of different ways and shapes and forms. I've definitely told many of my friends about this program just because, it was crazy helpful for me, and just really, making sure that as you learn anything that has helped yourself, passing it on to others and making sure to share, the knowledge and the help that you get and kind of pay it forward.
So if you're a homeowner who was affected by COVID, IndyAMP can help. Refinance your mortgage with a 3% fixed interest rate, 90-day deferral of first payment, and flexible terms. Learn more at IndyAMP.org.